Alright guys, today I'm doing a review for Caspa's Couscous Wild Rice Force Mushroom. I'm going to do a recipe with the Instant Pot. So it'll have chicken, it'll have Savoy cabbage, it will have carrots, and some chicken broth, and some shallots. So it should turn out pretty good. But this is the couscous here. I'll show you what it all looks like when I get it all prepared. But this, if you guys want to see, that's what it looks like inside. Got some dehydrated mushrooms there. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to do the recipe right now. Alright, so there's the chicken. The couscous, going to cook the chicken first, of course, and then the couscous always goes in last. So what I have in there, some herbs, some spices, fennel, some oregano, some cumin, and then I'm going to put in some shallots as well. So just stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Here the vegetables are in now. And then just the couscous, just waiting on that right now. Alright guys, it's pretty much done here, so we'll do a quick taste test. There it is. Yeah. That's quite good. It has a lot of flavor. You can also taste the mustard that I put in. I actually put in a little bit of ground mustard as well. So definitely check it out guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, and subscribe to the channel.